Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath892.
FamilyMath892. So today we are going to look, we're going to do a fun project relating to Pringles. And during the Super Bowl commercial, during the Super Bowl, Pringles ran a commercial. And do you remember what they said on that commercial?
Something along the lines of there were 318,000 ways to arrange a stack of Pringles.
318,000 stacks. And my 318 might be slightly off, but yeah, so they did that commercial. And then some people wondered, what did that mean exactly? And according to them, there are 25 kinds. And they meant stacks of 2, 3, or 4 Pringles.
Okay.
Okay, so, just to simplify things a little bit for this project, they meant no repeats.
Okay.
No repeats. So you can't have, so we have, let's see, we have 5 different ones, but if you have original and sour cream, you can't have a stack of 4 that's 2 original and 2 sour cream.
Okay.
Okay. So there's still 2 different ways to interpret what they meant here. With 25 kinds and stacks of 2, 3, or 4. So can you think of one interpretation?
Well, just like if you have
Call me.
like
Came over if you want.
318,000 different combinations where you pick 2, 3, or 4 kinds of Pringles and you like eat them together.
Yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to put them in a stack, but it's still not clear what they mean by the stacks. So what could be considered different stacks?
Maybe like the order of the Pringles.
Okay, so give me an example.
So like if you had a stack with the barbecue and sea salt and vinegar, and like the sea salt is on top, and then this might like taste different than if the BBQ was on top.
Okay, so we could have, I'll just call it, is A, B, and B, A. Are those the same stack or are they different stacks?
And this might be different with stacks of 2 versus stacks of 3 or 4.
Yeah, well, we'll treat, just for simplicity, we'll treat them all the same. That either the order matters or the order doesn't matter for all the stacks.
Okay.
Now, what do you think if you were eating, if A is the salt and vinegar and B is the barbecue? Do you think a stack that had this A on top and B on the bottom will taste different than a stack with B on top and A on the bottom?
No. I think they'll taste the same.
Okay, what do you think?
I think they'll taste the same.
Do you think they'll taste the same? Okay. Do you think you'd be able to tell the difference at all in those 2 stacks?
I think you would be able to tell. You'd be able to tell that they tasted slightly different, maybe at first, but in the end they would taste the same.
Oh, okay, so they might be different at the beginning. Why would that be the case?
Whichever one you can taste first would, I guess.
The one on the bottom is closer to your tongue.
Okay, interesting. All right, well, so if these were different, how many total kinds of stacks of 2, 3, and 4 could we make with 25 kinds of Pringles and no repeats?
So for 2 you'd have 25 times 24.
Okay, maybe I'll write that up here. Am I on camera up there? I guess I am just barely. So we'd have 25 times 24.
You'd have for 3, 25 times 24 times 23.
All right, and then plus 25 times 24 times 23.
And then plus 25 times 24 times 23 times 22.
Okay, so you get 25 times 24, that's 600. Times 23 is 13,800. Times 22 is 303,600. So we get plus 600 plus 13,800, and we get exactly 318,000.
So it looks like this is the way that they
Interpreted.
they thought of it. Yeah.
Yeah, but just for some interesting math, let's see, what if these were the same? How many stacks of 2 would there be?
Well, it would be 25. Choose 2.
Okay, so here would be 25, choose 2, and how about yours?
25 choose 3 and 25 choose 4.
Okay, and so 25 choose 2 is 25 times 24 divided by 2. So that's 300. Oh, actually, I guess we can just use these numbers. 25 choose 3 is 13,800 divided by what?
6.
Divided by 6. That's 2,300. And 25 choose 4 would be 303,000.
Divided by 4.
100 divided by
24.
24.
24. 12,650.
So way less than.
So
318.
plus 2,300 plus 300, 15,250. So way less.
Mm-hmm.
And so our mission is going to be to see if you really can tell the difference.
Alright.
So we'll try it for a stack of 2, and then we'll try it. You know, maybe you guys can make your own like stack of 3 and stack of 4, and then we'll rearrange them.
Alright.
And we'll try it just for fun. Okay.